Mesh Merger Data Service. An augmented reality collaborative game, or other augmented reality multi-user applications, need a mesh collider to work. A mesh collider is a mesh which approximates the environment that can be used to resolve collisions between real and virtual objects. Since ARKit, the technology used for the acquisition of the environment, provides proper mesh collider of a part of the scene, it has been decided to create a data service to merge such meshes coming from different acquisition devices into a unique mesh collider of the entire environment. This functionality will significantly enrich the immersion of all participants of the game. Each participant equipped with smartphone with LiDAR scans a fragment of the environment. ARKit builds a mesh collider from the scanned data, and all mesh colliders are sent to the Mesh Merger service, developed in the ambit of the charity project. This service merges all mesh colliders into one common mesh collider. The merged version of the collider is then sent back to all devices. This way, all participants will be able to interact with a continuously updated version of the mixed environment. The first working prototype of the mesh merger is ready. In this example, we scan 3 parts of the room, simulating that the mesh data come from 3 different users. Each part of the mesh is collected separately. Then the Mesh Merger service merges all received meshes into one common mesh. The next steps are to integrate it into the Use Case 3.1 mobile application to show its full potential.